Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Shockproof Living. We're going to be replacing this outlet here outside. It's all old and crusty. We're going to be replacing it with a new one, 20 amp. If you're going to be putting receptacles outside, you definitely want to make sure they say weather resistant on them. It's also going to have this labeling WR. They're just a little better made. They use stainless steel screws. So we're going to be replacing it with this, and also putting in this cover, weatherproof cover, so that you can have your extension cords or whatever you want to plug in connected and with the lid closed. The cord will come out the hole and it'll stay weatherproof even while it's plugged in. So let's start taking this apart. First of all, we always want to make sure that there is no power in here. With our voltage tester, we definitely can see that it has power. So we want to make sure your outlet has been turned off. I know for a fact this one is GFI protected. They should be GFI protected outside, but this one is being protected from another GFI at another location. So just to make sure, we got our circuit breaker finder. We're going to plug it in. It also has a GFI tester, so if we push the button in, it should trip the GFI on our other end over there. So we're gonna plug it in. As you can see, it lit up. We have power. We're gonna trip it, and it did actually trip. So we know there's no power. I'm also gonna double check with our pen again, and no power. So let's start taking this apart. Oh yeah. We got our wiring. Let's clean this box out a little bit. It's got pieces of concrete in there. There we go. All right. So we got our ground, which is our bare wire, or sometimes in green wire. It'll be bare or green. That's your usual colors for ground. Then we got our white neutral, and we got our hot in black. Go ahead and prep these wires. All right, we got our green, which is going to be our ground. I like to make a little loop and wrap it around the screw. Tighten up that loop a little bit. All right, we got our whites go on the silver screw. Now I didn't do a loop on this wire because this one has a tab that we can just slide the wire underneath the tab. If it didn't have this tab, then I would definitely wrap it around the screw. Since it has this tab, I'm just gonna place it under the tab and tighten it up. Our hot wire is gonna go on our gold terminal or bronze. I don't know what color you guys like to call it, but I usually call it the gold. We're gonna slide the black wire on the gold terminal. And snug it up. Give it a little tug, make sure everybody's tight. All right, I personally like to put the neutral on the top side, just in case when you plug something in, the neutral, if it were plug would be loose, anything slide behind, it'll hit the neutral before it hit the hot. That's just my preference. There is no code requirement on that, but it's a good practice. Set those in. Let me trim away some of this old gasket. Haven't completely tightened it in, the screws, because now with our cover it's gonna help us install the cover Alright, here we got our cover. I'm going to go ahead and push the outlet all the way in and leave the screws poking out. Slide the cover in. Oh, it's missing the other part. Okay, I got it here. We're going to, let me lower the camera some so you can get a better view. And then this other piece, we're going to put the filler for this outlet. Yep. Hang on a second. Let me put it in here first. No, actually, I can put it in the other way. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, I installed that filler piece inside here. So you can see it just pops in. This is if you were to use a GFCI or the Cora style. And then we're inserting this plate. It's got some alignment holes on the back side. So squeeze that firmly. Alright, we're gonna come in back with the box. We're gonna mount it in there. And then we'll slide this piece. As you can see right there. Now we'll tighten it up. Alright, we got it snug down. And that's it. We got our outlet in. Our cover. So you can plug something in there. If you don't plug it in, it'll look just like this. If you want to plug something in, I actually got a extension cord out here. You can plug it in. And then you can push this out, and then the cord will run out the hole. Actually, this cord is a bit big. Actually, here's another cord. You can plug it in, run the cord out the hole. You can close it. Cord will be plugged in, and it'll still be waterproof or rain tight. Unplug this, we don't need that. Alright, thanks guys for watching. As always, please like and subscribe. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you guys want to see anything in specific. And thanks for watching.